Friends, this is Omkara Chitrala, a 360-degree life transformation coach who has coached hundreds and hundreds of people in various areas of their life. A financial therapist for couples who got recently or married for being ages but still unable to set their financial blockages or mind blocks. I'm a motivational speaker at schools, colleges, symposiums, and at many places. I'm an entrepreneur, and you are looking at one of the entrepreneurial activities that I teach to people. I'm a self published author of more than 7 books on Amazon Kindle. I'm an inquisitive hobbyist, which made me do all the above things that I've already told you. And well, I have a lot more insight. In this episode, we are going to discuss about the top 3 things to look in a new job when you are searching for. Well, in this pandemic, we all know that many companies are looking for fresh employees and the employees are also looking for a job switch. So, what are the top 3 things that we have to look in a new job? Paycheck weight. Yes, the monthly take home falls in third position and yet is very important. The reason is the bank balance that you maintain during your month end will decide how peacefully you can work for the rest of the month. And I always suggest my clients, my friends, and my well wishers to maintain their budget not from 1st to 31st, but from 1st to next month 15th. In case if you don't receive a salary in the next month because of any reason, because you already have seen an uncertainty, that could help you. And I also request you to look into the retirement plan. If you continue with this paycheck, when will you be able to retire? With what amount will you be able to retire? Just look into those opportunities in future. So in next coming 5 years, if you take this job role, where will you be? Or if you continue the current job role, where will you stand? At the same time, the second line I present here is a metaphorical example or the explanation that I usually use. That is the current role past you, which mean there could be a candidate who was actually serving your role earlier. What is his current role? That will give you an idea where you can be in upcoming future, and also that can decide your scope of work. The number one thing that you have to look in your job is the passion or the position you love. The passion, when I say the passion, you have to understand whether your passion is into the organizational ladder or is it in your side hustle that you have been working on. If that is so, then try to understand whether this new role will give you the work life balance in such a way you can actually look into your side hustle with peace of mind. Also check if there are any intrapreneurs or any entrepreneurs who have come up from that company or from that team in precise, so that there is a possibility for you to get into the team and grow in your personal life. With that being so much for listening so far. All these presentations, animations are made using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to know how to make these animations, do let me know in the comment section below. I will make one more video course on it. Thank you so much. This is Omkara Chitrala signing.